So this is a arcade game that I created. Here's the logo, Rose Games. And here is the entrance, so you just step over it. The next part is here. This is the office. This is the office here. The office is where you can get things, where you get your tickets and passes, where the tickets are made, right here. Passes, where you get passes, where you get prizes. And here's the list for prizes. Oh, and for the next part, why don't we start with our tossing games? This game is where you just pay one of these and you get to toss thrice. So one, missed. Missed. So that's my 3 times. Put the cap back. Take one. So our next game is golf. Wait, yes. You use this pencil to try and get the golf ball into the and you get 3 chances. So, yay! Once, twice, thrice. Yep. So I take 3 of these, and then I put 1 there. Oh, you put it back in your own pile. The next game is our board game. Each person has a deck of cards. It has one of each type in it. It can be 1 to 4 players, and why the grid is split into 12 is because it's like easy to divide where the players are gonna sit. So like here, and here. Or 3, it would go here, and here. 2, here. So like the 12th grid is just better at dividing. And you put your tokens here, give the points. So our next game is basketball. There's a timer. Start your timer, start shooting for 1 minute. Pay 3 of these. This one costs more. And the basketball's running out. So this one's kind of recommended for giving points. Our last one is soccer. So you roll this tire. See, I made it in the goal. And you try to get past the goalie. Whoops, I bopped it down. So you get 3 tries. Okay. Now I put 1 in there. And then I take 3 out. So I bopped the goalie, and then I hit my 3rd one too. The first one, I curved it. So here's the defender. Oh, and bopping the goalie is for 2. Bopping the defender, bopping the defender isn't that easy, is for 1. So since I bopped the goalie too, when you knock the goalie down, you get 2 more. When you knock a defender down, you get 1 more. But I didn't, so then I put it back in my pile. And then, for example, since now I have so much, for example, I wanted this car. And then since sometimes I'm in the office, and then I would count this in my toy area Well, I just randomly pick a number, so like 150 probably, and then you pay it. Remember, the count is 5, so you pay the amount, which is 30 of them in, and then you get the toy as a reward. When they run out, usually I take things behind here, or sometimes when I'm cooking, I'm done. Sometimes I put it in the baggie and put it here. For food, like I have M&Ms now. I charge them at a really high price because I don't want anyone getting too much candy. That's why I charge M&Ms high. They aren't easy to get. Oh, and sometimes, when you're buying the M&Ms, I always ask for your what you're allergic to. If peanuts, then you don't buy the yellow ones. I'll give you one of the black ones. If milk, that's kind of odd, but I'll give you one of the peanut ones. If both, then you can't buy them. I'll just give you back your money back. Sometimes I might put some different things like lemon squares. And since those are just traditional, like I would sell it for 200. Well, still a lot, right? But oh yeah, those are for 250. So those actually cost a high amount. And this is the end of the arcade. Thank you.